Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now subscribe, like, share, and let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we are going up. We have just broken this previous high. So this weekly candle has closed above this previous high. So we are going up. Okay, bullish. Coming back to daily time frame. This previous high is taken. Okay, so this is your new high, and I think we're gonna go up after the pullback. So coming back to 4 hour, we are right here. Okay, so yes, we think that the pullback will happen until the EMA rejection is supposed to come from the EMA, and then blue engulfing candle, and then you go long. Okay, so overall trend is up, I would say, because price is above the EMA on daily, price is above the EMA in the weekly, and price is above the EMA in 4 hour as well. So look for longs after the pullback. That's Euro USD. Subscribe, like, share. Take care. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video, and if you want to copy my exact swing trades coming this week with precise entry timing, with take profit, with stop loss, then check out the first link below the video. Yes, if you want to copy the exact trades or the swing setups I am interested in for this coming week, make sure you check out the first link below the video, and I'll see you on the other side.